Hello everybody! Today, we have a special meditation session designed to help you recover from jet lag and restore balance to your mind and body. If you've recently traveled across time zones and find yourself struggling with the effects of jet lag, you're in the right place. Before we begin, find a comfortable and quiet space where you can fully immerse yourself in this rejuvenating experience. Let's get started. Begin by sitting or lying down in a relaxed position. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Close your eyes and let go of any tension in your body. As we embark on this journey to recover from jet lag, repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. Allow each affirmation to resonate within you, bringing a sense of peace and balance. I am in harmony with the natural rhythm of my body and the world around me. I release tension and welcome the soothing energy of relaxation. My body adjusts easily to new time zones, and I am in sync with the present moment. I am grateful for the experiences of travel, and I allow my body to restore and rejuvenate. With each breath, I am letting go of fatigue, and my energy is replenished. I honor my body's need for rest, and I trust in its ability to find balance. As I drift into a peaceful state, I invite healing and renewal into every cell of my being. Sleep comes easily to me, and I wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Picture yourself surrounded by a gentle, healing light. This light represents the natural energy of the universe, restoring and revitalizing you. Imagine this light infusing every part of your body, bringing tranquility and balance. Take a few more deep breaths, slowly bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this jet lag recovery meditation. Remember, it's essential to be patient with yourself as your body adjusts. Feel free to return to this meditation whenever you need a moment of calm and restoration. Safe travels, and may you find peace on your journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who may benefit. Until next time, take care.